in just two films, Hitchcock greatly influenced a whole generation or two of video game narrative. One of the things that Hitchcock experimented with here was the idea of a character that the audience would be accessing continuously throughout the film. Okay. And, in the last lecture, we called this character an audience surrogate. Often, directors will use omniscient point of view to suggest that the audience has this power over the characters. So if you're watching a drama film or a comedy film, what have you, you get to see things that other characters do not see. I think Hitchcock takes it one step further. The audience surrogate is more than a protagonist. Think about playing video games, right? Third-person open world games are a great example of narratives that utilize the audience surrogate. And I think Hitchcock finally figured out that he could do this, engage the audience member in a stronger way. He could do this by creating a character that essentially is the arms and legs of the audience. What I have noticed after watching Rear Window again this second time, that there's actually two surrogates. There's an audience surrogate, the passive one, and then there's the director surrogate. And the director surrogate disrupts the narrative in a way that the audience surrogate does not. In Dial M for Murder, there actually is an audience surrogate and a director surrogate. There's two surrogates, right? Like the friend, Grace Kelly's lover in that film, and also the detective. That character interferes with the flow of what's going on screen in order to change the outcome or the plot of the movie. Inspector Hubbard in Dial M enters the scene an hour into the movie and starts messing with crap. And Grace Kelly's character, she crosses the courtyard, climbs up the wall through the window and starts snooping around. And so she's this disruptive force, right? She's almost like this hero in the video game. If that was a game, you would be controlling her body with your thumbs.